In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your WordPress header menu without needing any plugins. This is a simple and straightforward process that will take no more than 5 minutes of your time. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where we'll begin our journey to sprucing up your header menu with a handy button. Once you're on the WordPress website, look for the login option. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now you're presented with several options to log in. For this tutorial, we'll make things easy by clicking on Continue with Google. If you regularly use a Google account for your logins, this is a convenient and quick option. Simply click on the Continue with Google button and you'll be asked to choose your Google account. Select the account associated with your WordPress site. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel, you'll see a section called Quick Links. Here you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to access the editing tools that will allow us to modify your site's header. Now that you're in the site edit mode, look for the plus icon. This is the universal symbol in WordPress for adding new blocks and elements. Click on this plus icon, which will open a search bar and a menu with options for different blocks. This is where you can add various elements to your site. In the search bar, type buttons and wait for the results. Once you see the buttons option, click on it. This will add a button block to the page that you're editing. But adding it is just the beginning. We need to place this button right where we want it. For this, click and drag the button block. Position it exactly where you want it within the header of your site. This is where your creative side comes into play. You might want the button prominently at the center or maybe aligned to the right to balance your existing menu items. Either way, just drag and drop until you're satisfied with its position. And there you have it, just a few clicks and drags and you've effectively added a button to your WordPress header menu, completely free of plugins. This is a great way to make important pages or calls to action stand out to your website visitors. Remember, having a well-placed button can really enhance user navigation and improve engagement on your site. Thank you for watching and happy editing.